Let me ask you something. Why is it that some people go from $0 to $100,000, while others stay stuck at zero for years, even decades? Same city. Same opportunities. Sometimes even the same salary. But completely different outcomes. Now here's the weird part. It's not about working harder. It's not about being smarter. And it's definitely not about luck. There's a specific mindset shift that happens somewhere between $0 and $100K. And almost nobody talks about it. Thought balloon problem setup. Most people believe something simple. If I just earn more money, my life will change. So they focus on getting a better job, working overtime, chasing higher income. And for a while, it works. They go from $0 savings to maybe $1,000, $2,000, even $5,000. But then something strange happens. They get stuck. No matter how much they earn, they can't seem to cross that invisible line. Because the truth is, going from $0 to $100,000 is not a money problem. It's a thinking problem. Brain core explanation. Let's break this down with a simple story. Meet Ali. Ali just got his first job. At the end of the month, after paying rent, food, and bills, he has about $300 left. Now, what does he do with it? At first, nothing special. A few dinners. Some online shopping. Maybe a new phone on installments. And just like that, that $300 disappears. Month after month. Year after year. Now here's the key point. Ali isn't careless. He's just doing what feels normal. Because his mindset is still this. Backhand index pointing right, money is meant to be spent. Stage 1, the consumption mindset. At $0. Most people see money as something that comes and goes. You earn, you spend, you repeat. There's no system. No long-term thinking. Just survival and small rewards. And honestly, it feels fine. Because everyone around you is doing the same thing. But then something changes. One day, Ali notices something. His friend. Same salary, same age. But somehow, that friend has $20,000 saved. No lottery. No inheritance. Just different results. And that's when the first shift begins. Stage 2, awareness. Ali realizes something powerful. It's not about how much I earn, it's about what I keep. This is where most people wake up. But here's the problem. Awareness alone is not enough. Because even when people know they should save, they still don't do it consistently. Why? Because their behavior hasn't changed yet. Stage 3, identity shift. This is the mindset shift no one talks about. The people who reach $100K. They don't just manage money differently. They see themselves differently. Instead of saying, I'll save whatever is left, they say, I'm someone who builds wealth first. It's subtle. But it changes everything. Let's make it simple. Imagine two people. Person A. I'll spend first and save later. Person B. I'll save first and spend what's left. Same income. Same life. But over time? Completely different outcomes. The hidden system. Wealth builders follow a simple rule. Income save / invest spend. Not. Income spend save, if possible. And this one shift is the difference between staying broke and reaching $100,000. Insight section, deep truth. Here's the deeper truth most people don't realize. Money doesn't change your life. Your habits do. And habits come from identity. If you see yourself as someone who deserves to enjoy money now, you'll spend it. If you see yourself as someone who builds wealth first, you'll protect it. Why $100,000 feels impossible at first? Because at $0, $100,000 feels like a mountain. But for people who've reached it, it's just the result of small, consistent actions. Saving a little every month. Investing regularly. Avoiding lifestyle inflation. Nothing dramatic. Just discipline. The compounding effect. Here's where it gets interesting. The first $10,000 feels slow. The first $50,000 feels hard. But after that, things start accelerating. Because now, your money starts working for you. Your habits are already built. Your mindset is locked in. And suddenly, $100,000 doesn't feel impossible anymore. Practical takeaway. So what should you actually do? Let's keep it simple. 1. Pay yourself first. Before you spend anything, take a percentage, even 10%, and set it aside. Automatically. No thinking. No excuses. 2. Build a wealth identity. Stop saying, "I'll try to save." Start saying, "I'm someone who builds wealth." Because behavior follows identity. 3. Make saving non-negotiable. Treat saving like a bill. Rent? Paid. Electricity? Paid. Saving? Also paid. 4. Avoid lifestyle inflation. When your income increases, don't upgrade your life immediately. Upgrade your investments first. 5. Focus on consistency, not amount. It's not about saving huge amounts. It's about doing it every single month. Ending. At the end of the day, the journey from $0 to $100,000 is not about one big moment. It's about hundreds of small decisions. Quiet decisions. The kind no one sees. And that's why most people never talk about it. Because it's not flashy. It's not exciting. But it works. So next time you get paid, ask yourself one simple question. Am I acting like someone who spends money? Or someone who builds wealth? Because that answer is quietly shaping your future. If you understand this mindset shift, you're already ahead of most people. And that first $100,000? It's not as far away as you think.